Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. My name is Sam.
And I'm Alex. Today we have a super useful topic for you.
Yes, something exciting, something important, something a little scary.
Scary?
Yes, traveling.
Ah, yes. Airports, luggage, long lines, security checks.
Exactly. Today we are learning travel English for beginners, airport and hotel conversations in easy English.
Beginner-friendly, natural, simple, and a little fun.
So, fasten your seatbelt.
And get ready to take off. Okay, Alex, imagine this. You arrive at the airport. You have your bag, your passport, your ticket.
And your stress.
Yes, lots of stress.
Airports can make people nervous, but with simple English, everything becomes easier.
Yes, so let's teach the first important sentence.
Number 1, where is the check-in counter?
Very useful. Here's another. Excuse me, where is Terminal 2?
Airports are big, very big, like small cities.
Yes, you need signs, maps, and sometimes a lot of walking.
So always ask for help if you are confused. Okay, Alex, let's pretend we are at the check-in counter.
Good idea. I will be the airline staff.
And I will be the traveler. Ready?
Ready? Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Oh, it might be heavy, very heavy, emotionally heavy.
Haha, it's okay. Your bag is 21 kilos.
Is that okay?
Yes, the limit is 23 kilos. You're fine.
Great.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window. I love looking outside.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A12. Boarding starts at 2 p.m.
Thank you. See? Very simple English.
Yes, and important sentences are, can I see your passport? Do you have any luggage? Window seat or aisle seat? Your gate is. Boarding starts at.
Learn these. Alex, now we go to the scary part.
Ah, yes, security check.
Shoes off, laptop out, belt off, jacket off, everything off, except your dignity.
Yes, security checks can be confusing for beginners.
What English can we use here?
Let's teach them. Please remove your shoes. Put your bag on the belt. Do you have any liquids? Please open your backpack. Step forward.
And the traveler can say, do I need to take out my laptop? Is this okay? Should I remove my jacket?
Very helpful.
The important thing, stay calm.
Yes, airports are safe, not scary.
After security, I am always hungry.
Always?
Always. Airports make my stomach say hello.
Yes, food is important.
Airport food is also expensive.
Very expensive. A sandwich costs the same as a small house.
True. But let's teach some English for buying food. Useful phrases. Where can I buy food? Do you have vegetarian options? Can I get a bottle of water? How much is this? Do you accept card?
Easy English. Very useful.
Airports have many gates. A1, A2, B5, C12. It looks like math.
Yes, and sometimes the gate changes.
That is the scariest part.
Very scary. But you can ask, excuse me, where is gate A12? Is the gate changed? What time is boarding?
And if you are late,
Run.
yes, run like you are in the Olympics.
Now it's time to get on the airplane.
The airline staff usually says, boarding now. Please prepare your boarding pass. Passport, please. Enjoy your flight.
And the traveler can say, "Here's my boarding pass. Thank you. Where is seat 14A?"
Planes have small doors and big lines.
Yes, and everyone stands up at the same time.
Why? We don't know. Now we are sitting in the airplane. I'm at the window.
And I'm in the aisle.
Lucky you. You can stretch your legs.
Yes, but people hit me with bags when they walk.
True.
Useful English on the plane. Excuse me, can you move? Can I put this in the overhead bin? Do you have water? Can I get a blanket? How long is the flight?
And the flight attendant may say, "Please fasten your seatbelt. We are taking off. Please turn off your phone. Would you like something to drink?"
Flight attendants are very kind.
Yes, and very patient. We landed, but now immigration line.
Yes, another long line.
Immigration officers speak simple English, common questions. Where are you coming from? What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Where will you stay?
You can answer easily. I am here for vacation. I will stay for 10 days. I am staying at the Sunset Hotel.
Very simple. After immigration, we need a taxi.
Yes, and English for taxis is important.
Useful phrases. I need a taxi.
Can you take me to this hotel?
How long will it take?
How much is the fare?
Do you accept card or cash?
And you can show the hotel address.
Yes. Easy communication. Dialogue. Hotel reception.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunset Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello. I have a reservation.
May I have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a single room or a double room?
Single room, please.
Breakfast included?
Yes, please.
Your room number is 307. Here is your key card. The elevator is on the left.
Thank you very much. Useful hotel English.
I have a reservation.
Can I check in?
Where is the elevator?
Is breakfast included?
Can I get Wi-Fi password?
When I enter my hotel room, I always check two things.
What two things?
Number 1, the bed. Number 2, the air conditioning.
Ah, yes, very important.
Useful phrases. How do I use the AC?
The Wi-Fi is not working.
Can I get clean towels?
My key is not working.
Many beginners feel shy asking hotel staff for help.
But the English is very simple. Examples. Excuse me, can you help me? I need extra pillows. My shower is not working. Can I change my room?
Staff always help. Don't be shy.
When the trip ends, you need to check out. Check out dialogue.
Good morning. I want to check out.
Sure. Did you use the minibar?
No.
Okay. Here is your bill. You can pay by card or cash.
Card, please.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, everyone, let's review today's lesson.
Number 1. At the airport. Where is the check-in counter?
Number 2, security. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Number 3. On the plane. Can I get water?
Number 4, immigration. I am here for vacation.
Number 5. Hotel. I have a reservation.
Number 6, checkout. I want to check out.
If you enjoyed learning travel English,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Daily English Talk.
Tell us in the comments, which country do you want to travel to?
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.